Good morning, everybody. Uh, so today I will explain you the superposition theorem. Okay, superposition theorem. Okay, so basically this is the important theorem which is used in your circuit analysis, and it is used to find the total current. Okay, so before going into the detail of this superposition theorem, let us consider some of the useful features of superposition theorem. Okay, useful features of some uh, useful feature of this superposition theorem, or you can say some main points, okay, regarding this superposition theorem. Okay, so first point regarding the superposition theorem is that it follows the it follows the condition of linearity. ठीक है, linearity and homogeneity. ठीक है, this is the first main points of the superposition theorem. It follows the condition of linearity and homogeneity. So what is the meaning of this line? Linearity means linear relationship. Okay, linearity means when there is a linear relationship between the two quantity. Okay, so linear relationship उसका मतलब है, ठीक है, linear variation between the voltage and current. Okay, between two quantity there is a linear relationship, but means a straight line. Okay, so that condition is linearity. And what is this meaning of this homogeneity? Meaning of this homogeneity condition means that this in case of the superposition theorem, there in the circuit there will be two active source element. ठीक है, so homogeneity means that in the circuit there will be two active source elements, more than one you can say. ठीक है, there must be more than one active source element in the circuit. This is the meaning of this homogeneity. ठीक है, more than, you can write here, more than one active source element. Okay, so this homogeneity means more than one active source element in the circuit. ठीक है, in which we want to apply the superposition theorem. ठीक है, so meaning that this superposition theorem, it cannot be applied to a single active source एलिमेंट. ठीक है, सिंगल एक्टिव सोर्स एलिमेंट में दिस सुपरपोजिशन थ्योरम कैन नॉट बी अप्लाइड. ओके, अभी सोर्स एलिमेंट कैन बी वोल्टेज सोर्स और इट कैन बी अ करंट सोर्स. ठीक है, देर मे बी टू करंट सोर्सेज, देर मे बी टू वोल्टेज सोर्सेज और वन करंट सोर्स, और देर मे बी one voltage source and one current source. But in case of a circuit in which there is only one single active source element is there, superposition theorem cannot be applied. Second is point is that it applies to linear bilateral network. Okay, it applies to linear bilateral network. This means that linear bilateral network means इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब होता है bilinear means as already I explained you that there is a linear relationship between voltage and current and it is a straight line. And bilateral means when the voltage and current does not change in both direction in the network. ठीक है, bilateral meaning means relationship between the, meaning of this bilateral means the relationship between the voltage and current does not change in both direction in the network. Okay, this is bilateral. Third main point of this theorem is that it does not apply to calculate the पावर, ठीक है, डज नॉट अप्लाई टू कैलकुलेट द पावर, पावर के लिए नहीं यूज़ कर सकते इसको। फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज दैट IVS, ठीक है, रिप्लेस्ड बाय योर शॉर्ट सर्किट। IVS का मतलब है इंडिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स, ठीक है, IVS मीन्स इंडिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्सेज, दे आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय शॉर्ट सर्किट, ठीक है, उनको शॉर्ट किया जाता है। एंड फिफ्थ पॉइंट इज ICS मीन्स इंडिपेंडेंट करंट सोर्सेज, दे आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय योर ओपन, यू कैन से सर्किट, ठीक है, दे आर रिप्लेस्ड बाय ओपन सर्किट। सो इंडिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्सेज, जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, वोल्टेज सोर्स भी होगा, करंट सोर्स भी हो सकता है। सो इंडिपेंडेंट वोल्टेज सोर्स इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय शॉर्ट सर्किट, इंडिपेंडेंट करंट सोर्स इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय ओपन सर्किट। ओके, लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस सुपरपोजिशन थ्योरम इज दैट डिपेंडेंट सोर्स नेवर बी ओपन, नेवर बी ओपन, ठीक है। So in case of superposition theorem, independent voltage source they are replaced by a short circuit, independent current source they are replaced by this open circuit, but dependent source जो होते हैं they never be open, ठीक है, so never be open. So these are some main points or useful feature of the superposition theorem, 6 points you can say. Now we will take another example, and we will take another example for the superposition theorem, and I will explain you that example in the next video. Okay.